Today we're going to go over how to fold an electric bike. This is the 2.0 model and this is the step through. So I found an easy way to do this, or the easiest I think I can do it. So I'm going to show you what I came up with and see if this helps people out with this. So the first thing you want to do, which I've already done, is fold up the actual pedals. You want to make sure that's done first. And you also want to put them in the position I currently have. You want this right one to go forward and this back one to go back like that. This one on this left side. Next thing you want to do is make sure the kickstand's down. Okay, so the next part you want to do, go around here and disconnect. This may take two hands here. Okay, I got that disconnected. So there you go. So next thing you want to do is you want to put your foot back here in the back and put it behind the wheel right here. And then I'm going to show you this. I'm going to set this thing up on my truck here, just kind of let you see what I'm doing. So like I said, you already got this disconnected. Put your foot back here behind it. I don't know if you can see this from where you're at. And then what you want to do is you want to reach up here and gradually, like I say, first you may not have to put your foot back behind it, but you want to break it loose like this here, just part of the way, holding this front. Now put your foot behind the wheel, and you're just going to gradually bring it to you and bring this down. As you bring this down, set it down, and take your kickstand and put it up. At this point, you just have to bring it the rest of the way. And then set it down. So there you are, folded. Okay, now to put unfolded back in, I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, here it is folded. You're going to sit down behind here like this. Put your foot back behind this wheel. And that way you pull up, it's going to raise that front end. And then gradually push this around. About to that position, and then hold this, put your kickstand down. That'll give you a little more support, and then grab this the rest of the way right under here, pull it around until you get it in position, snap it in. Okay, and then you have to take your pedals, fold them back out again. So one other thing I'm going to show you is, if you've got this thing and you want to take the battery out, what do you do? So again, go back down through here, kickstand's down, you hit this button, unsnap it. Now, on this point, you only have to take this at a 45, actually, I'm not sure what the degree is, but you only have to take this to right here. And your kickstand is still up to kind of help you a little bit. Using your kickstand, I got my foot down the kickstand. I've got this to where this will slide out now. I don't have my key right now, but you want this basically at a 90-degree angle here, or a little bit more. That way it doesn't catch up. Then you slide your battery out, and then when you're done, you just kick it back around. And okay, so I hope that helps out a little bit. That kind of works for me. It's still kind of awkward, but the key is using your kickstand, and at certain points putting your foot behind this wheel to keep it from sliding. That lets you lift that front end off the ground. So I hope that helps you all out. And if you'd like more of these kind of how-to videos, then let me know in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed it.